So I had somebody contact me on making a small sign to add to one of their signs that they already had. One of those military signs that have all the cities or the posts that they've been to. And she just wanted me to make a small sign. I used a really nice wood stain and used my foam paintbrush to apply the paint on the sides first. You always want to put a little bit extra on the sides because they do soak up a lot of the paint. Sorry if I have any background noises. I did get a new puppy this week, so you might hear her in the background. Once I painted it, I let it dry for a couple minutes, and then I took a rag, a clean rag, and just wiped off all the excess and made sure it was all even. I always make sure I secure the lid with a hammer. I then went inside into Cricut Design Space and created my words and then printed them off on my Cricut Maker. I tried to weed the vinyl with one hand, but that didn't work. This vinyl is Expressions 51, or their version of Oracal 51. I really like it. Here I'm burnishing my decal, and then I peel the decal off of the carrier sheet because I don't need it. Normally I measure everything, but I'm just going to eyeball it and make sure it is straight. So I'm applying the decal onto the wood. It took a few hours for the wood to dry, so I just made sure there's no bubbles. I then took my burnisher and then lightly burnished it, made sure there was no bubbles or anything going on with the decal. And then last but not least, I very carefully peeled off the plastic part of the decal to make sure, you know, no letters come off. Sometimes this part is nerve-wracking because if it comes off, you gotta go back and push it down. And there you have it. It's a small little sign. Thanks for watching.